In today's video, we'll walk through the Cisco Switch software upgrade process, ensuring you can handle it confidently and efficiently. First, let's connect your computer to the switch using a serial cable. Attach one end to the console port of the switch and the other to a USB port on your computer. Once connected, check your computer's device manager to ensure that the serial port driver is installed. Note the designated port, in our case, COM3. Review the port settings in the properties. We'll keep these settings as default. Next, open PuTTY to connect to the Cisco switch. Select the serial option, enter COM3 as the port, and ensure other settings align with those noted earlier. Click Open. The terminal window will confirm our connection to the switch. Now, let's access privileged exec mode by typing the enable command and entering your password. Before moving forward, it's important to check available disk space on the switch. Use the dir flash command. We see that around 90 megabytes is available, which is sufficient for our upgrade file, typically around 25 megabytes. Head over to the Cisco website. Navigate to the Download section and find the latest software for your switch model. Remember, downloading iOS requires a Cisco account login. If you don't have one, you can create it for free. After accepting the license agreement, proceed to download the software file. Next, we'll use a TFTP server for file transfer. We're using SolarWinds TFTP in this tutorial. Locate the TFTP root directory and drag and drop the iOS file into it. Before proceeding with the transfer, it's crucial to ensure that the TFTP server is reachable from our switch. To do this, let's try to ping the TFTP server from the switch. If the ping to the TFTP server fails, make sure your switch and computer are on the same local network. Check your computer's IP address and assign an IP from the same subnet to the switch. Adjust your firewall settings to allow ICMP ping packets and open UDP port 69 for TFTP. Let's set up the firewall rules. Go to your computer's firewall settings and open Advanced Settings. Navigate to Inbound Rules and click New Rule. Choose Custom. Select ICMPv4 under Protocol and Ports. Leave other settings as default. Name the rule for ICMP. To allow UDP port 69, create another rule. Choose port. Enter 69 and choose UDP. Leave other settings as default. Name the rule for the TFTP. With these settings, you should be able to reach the TFTP server from the switch. To transfer the iOS file to the switch's flash memory, use the appropriate command and follow the prompts to enter the TFTP server IP and the file name. The transfer will start. After transferring, use the verify command to check the file's integrity. To initiate the upgrade, enter Configure Terminal. Remove any existing boot system commands with no boot system, then set the uploaded file as the new boot system. Exit and save the configuration. Reboot the switch to start the upgrade. This process will take some time. Finally, after the update, use Show Version to confirm the new software version. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.